You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including of famous places around the US and California, stay tuned. Tahoe, that's your American English pronunciation. That's both for the lake in California, between California and Nevada. It's also the name of an SUV by Chevrolet. Tahoe. Don't worry about the E. It's silent, so don't worry about it. Just ignore. Pretend there's no E at the end, so it's not Tahoe. Tahoe. English pronunciation, how to pronounce Tahoe. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.